How to change email address in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, go to your profile or account settings, usually located at the top right or bottom corner of the app. Once in the profile section, look for account or feature settings and then tap on Zelle settings. Here you will see your current email address associated with your Zelle account. To change your email, tap on the unlink option next to your current email. Enter the new email address you want to use and save the changes. Make sure the new email address is correct, as this is how others will send money to you through Zelle. Following these steps will ensure your Zelle account always uses the correct email, making sending and receiving payments safe and hassle-free. Now you know how to change your email address in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.